David again. Got another C7 here. Not just a regular C7 though. I got a Z06 supercharged LT4 under the hood with a 7-speed transmission. Straight American bald eagles right here. Follow us. Let's do it. I just try to like curve the tape with the curves of the car as best as I can. Pretty much at the moment just does this, then put the headlights, but up to the next step. So guys, your boy David again. Finally got the Z06 complete. I'll take y'all around the car, show you how it looks good. Let me know how y'all like it, which I think the Z07. I personally like it, and I highly recommend it. Stay tuned, follow, share.